I'm a Virgo. I have an addictive personality, and it's a frugal addiction. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Key here, and I have another thrift haul video for you guys. You love thrift hauls. I love thrift hauls. It works out for everyone. Yes, I have an addiction. I am aware. Very aware. I just have a couple items to show you guys today, and I thought it's beautiful, it's sunny out, let's film a video. So let's just hop right into the video. First, I want to start off by showing you guys these Wrangler shorts that I DIY'd myself. You'll see better in the try on part. So yeah, just made them some cutoffs and put some fraying details here at the bottom. I don't wear shorts normally in the summertime. But this summer I just been getting into my shorts because I'm learning how to do it that makes me feel comfortable, like wearing something over top. These are just really fun to make. These are my second pair that I've made. My other pair I showed you guys in my styling lingerie video, and I'm probably gonna have them on in this one on the try on part for some things, so you guys can see those. But yep, these cost me $3, and it cost me obviously $0 to DIY them myself. And yeah, they're just really bomb. Like, you know, hook me up because I be slaying these DIYs. Y'all better catch up. Y'all better get with the program. So the next item I have to show you guys is by far my favorite. So let me just give y'all a backstory because I always gotta have a backstory. So pretty much I've been looking for something snakeskin print for the longest, and I even contemplated on going on Nasty GAL. I will not say that word, and for all of you that know me know that I can't say that word. I will put her up on the screen. You will not catch me saying GAL ever. So I searched on the website and they had a couple snakeskin print things that was bomb, and I even contemplated buying something. So I went to the thrift store, I think this was yesterday, yeah, and I found this top. It's a Michael Kors top that I got for $6.39. Off the shoulder, girls, off the shoulder, snakeskin print top. Are we soaking this in? Are we marinating this? Because this is bomb. This part, we're not messing with her. That's why we tuck this part in and we're good to go. So now we have a cropped off the shoulder snakeskin top. Are you kidding? And then look at how like silky and beautiful and gorgeous and amazing this top is. It's just, I could not believe when I found this because like I said, I've been on a hunt for a minute, and then I got it for $6. It's off the shoulder, so you'll see how beautiful it looks in the try on. But yeah, so she's here, she's back in business. She's good to go. You would think, why would anybody give this up? And I'm sure this shirt was probably about $100. Like easy, because it's like a nice silky material. Of course it's not silk. Of course it's not silk. That's how they like to get y'all. Y'all be paying all that money. Don't nobody be looking at the materials. Who's looking at the materials? Raise your hands. Let me know. Because I don't think y'all looking at the materials, because y'all be paying all this money for polyester. And then she's polyester. So moving along, we have a dress. I don't wear dresses, no, but I found this really bomb dress. I gravitated towards it. The print I love, because if I'm gonna do a floral, I do very dark, moody 90s vibe florals. So it's black, and then it has like this beautiful like earth tone, like tan beige color, which is so my aesthetic. My whole wardrobe is pretty much cream, tans, black, olive green, just very natural colors. So this dress is gonna be very hard to show sitting down, so you'll see it in the try on, but just, you know, just to get a gist of it, it's a beautiful black dress with these gorgeous flower details on it. You know, not really my thing, but my thing. And not only that, it has these buttons going down the side, and then it slits open on the side. You have the option to button it if you like, but it's like, you know, it's open on the side. You'll see it in the try on. So I plan on styling this with like my chunky Doc Marten sandals, or even my Adidas All-Stars, that cute little vibe of like the floral dress for like the sneakers. I love that type of vibe. And I can see myself even wearing this in the fall with like a long like duster coat. You guys know I've been loving the whole button down tops, having them off the shoulder. It's my fave. So one of the tops is like a cream top, and I left it on my clothing rack out in the living room. When I film these videos, I push my rack out into the living room, so I'm not gonna be able to hold it up to show you guys today, but you'll see it in a try on. I'll insert the clip of that one right here. I have these two. So this one is a blue with like a nice gold kind of pinstripe detail going down. The shirt is very lightweight, very breezy, and I really love the shirt. I couldn't pass it up. I even came to a thrift store one day and I got it and I tried it on, and then I put it down and I left the store because I was like, because L trains are more expensive than this other thrift store I go to. This other thrift store I go to, where I'm about to show you the one top. This top here was $8, and like all their button downs is $8, and I know I can get them for $3. So I was like, do I really need this top? But I just love the color combination of it, and I could just see me tying it up and, you know, looking real cute. So I was like, do I need this? So I left it. I hid it somewhere. I came back not the next day, like the next 2 or 3 days or something like that, and the shirt was still there. So I said it was meant to be. I do that sometimes because, you know, I know that I can be very impulsive. So I'm like, I will set her to the side, and if it's meant to be, I'll come back and get it. So now we have this one, this baby girl here, who is from the thrift store I'm telling you about, where I got her for $3. And this is a nice other combination. I just love button downs with like the stripe detail. So we have purple, navy blue, a baby blue vibe, which is, again, 90s colors are colors that I gravitate towards ever. But the whole combination of them is just really gorgeous, and I just love the combination. So I'm gonna show you guys how I style the tops. I mean, not how I style them, but yeah, pretty much, because I tie them up. I don't wear them. I normally don't just throw them on. Sometimes I do, but whatever. So you'll see that in the try on parts as well. Next we have this bomb beige, like silky kind of top from the men's section for $3. And this top is like life for me. Like, I love this top so much because of the color and the material. So I normally just wear this top with biker shorts and my All-Stars and call it a day. And it's just so like relaxing. You look cool, you look effortless, like you just look bomb as fuck throwing this joint on. So, you know, she's my go-to. She's my go-to. Picking up off that theme, we have these bomb silky pants, the same like material as that top, very like stretchy material. These pants that I'm just in love with. The minute I saw them, I could not believe that I grabbed them up because I was about to leave, and what does this say? Yeah, I was about to leave, and then I happened to bump into her. which I was so excited. And that day was such a good thrift day for me. I got some bomb stuff. If you watched my last thrift haul video, that cheetah pajama set that I got, that was the day I got this too. I just couldn't believe I found it. They must have put this out, you know, when I wasn't looking, because she was in a cut somewhere. But yeah, so anyways, these pants were $2.99, and I love them so much. So boom. And last but not least, she's probably gonna fuck up my lighting, but I have this bomb kimono with this amazing floral print detail on it. Not really sure if you guys can see that, but this kimono is just gorgeous, and I plan on wearing it as a top, as a kimono, as whatever. I just love this so much, and it looks gorgeous on my clothing rack, so I said why not. So yeah, pretty much this bad boy was $6, and it's just Gorgiana, like it's Gorgina, so why not. So that's the end of this thrift haul video. I hope you guys enjoy, and let me know, DM me, leave me comments down below. Let me know what you think about my thrift haul videos. I feel like I get good responses from them, so it makes me want to keep doing them. And plus, I love thrifting anyway, so I do that for me, and then making the videos is fun for me. And then also, I know that everyone enjoys it. And like I said, I watch thrift hauls all the time, so it's cool for me to be able to contribute to that thrift haul community. So thank you guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye.